Imagine this. You are walking home. After a long day at work, you are tired, stressed, thinking about responsibilities. Suddenly, you see a wallet on the road. You pick it up. You open it. Inside, 50,000 rupees. Cash. No one is watching you. What would you do? Rahul faced this moment. He was 28, working in Hyderabad. His salary was decent, but life was heavy. His father had passed away. His mother had a heart condition. Hospital bills were rising. That evening, after office, he stopped at a tea stall near a parked bike. He noticed something brown, a leather wallet. He looked around. Nobody searching, nobody worried. Slowly, he opened it. Cash, cards, an Aadhaar card, a visiting card. The name read Ramesh Verma, business owner. Rahul's heart started beating faster. 50,000 rupees. That money could help his mother. His mind whispered, "Keep it. No one will know. You deserve this." But another voice inside him asked, "Can you sleep peacefully tonight?" For a long moment, he stood still. Then he closed the wallet. He dialed the number. A worried voice answered. "Hello?" Rahul spoke calmly. "Sir, I found your wallet." 20 minutes later, a well-dressed man arrived. He checked everything carefully. Nothing was missing. He looked at Rahul. "Why didn't you keep the money?" Rahul smiled softly. "I need money, but I don't need guilt." 1 week later, Rahul received a call, a job offer, higher salary, better growth, because character is more valuable than cash. Money returns. Character defines you. Now, let's learn some powerful words from this story. Word 1, responsibility, meaning a duty you must take care of. Example, Rahul had the responsibility of caring for his mother. Word 2, guilt, meaning the painful feeling of doing something wrong. Example, he did not want to live with guilt. Word 3, integrity, meaning doing the right thing even when no one is watching. Example, integrity builds trust. Word 4, rare, meaning not common. Example, honest people are rare. Repeat after me. Honesty builds trust. My character is my true wealth. I choose integrity over shortcuts. Peace of mind is priceless. Very good. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Confidence grows with practice. Now, tell me, if you found that wallet, what would you do? Be honest and comment one new word you learned today.